Hi and welcome to GinGin. Today we're going to have a look at the Strangers & Sons gin, and specifically the Gin Tonic today we're going to have a look at. Now, in our last video Elaine showed you the unboxing from the September Craft Gin Club box, which we got this glorious gin from. Within that box you get all the ingredients to make a very nice gin and tonic. You get lots of other ingredients as well within the box, and I'll post a link in the description below for you to go and have a look at all the goodies that we got within the September Craft Gin Club box. Within that as well there'll also be a link should you decide that you think actually I'd like to see this. There's a link there as well for you to get £16 off your first box if you wish. Now, I've been having a look at the Strangers & Sons gin and where it came from. It's a husband and wife duo along with I think it's their cousin, as well as the third member of the company. They set out to be the first gin distillery in India, so this originates from Goa. And the recipe that they got for this particular gin came to them from a mythical beast, and that's what's depicted on the very front of the bottle. Is effectively it's the tiger with three eyes, and so comes the name of the distillers, which is Third Eye Distillery, because it was in that third eye that they got the recipe for this particular gin. They travelled all around Europe independently and found that they couldn't find an Indian gin which brought about their heritage and where they came from, so they went back to India and decided they were going to start their own gin company. So let's go into it now. We're going to make the actual gin and tonic. So we've got our gin, a large glass of ice filled with ice. We have a bitter orange and elderflower tonic water, and our garnish, which is blood orange and green peppercorns. So to start off, we're going to need 50 ml of the gin. I do always like when you're making gin that you get 50 ml in it as opposed to the 25. These are house measures, not pub measures. So 50 ml of the gin, accompanied with 200 millilitres of the tonic, which is bitter orange and elderflower tonic water from the London Essence Company. And we're just going to give that a really nice stir, get it all mixed together. And then finally just add our garnish, which is lemon, and green peppercorns. And there we have it, the Stranger & Sons Gin and Tonic, GinGin. Very nice. Now, in our future video we're going to have a look at the Gin Colada, which is a gin take on a pina colada. So on that next one, be sure to subscribe and follow to the video so that you get notification of that when it's coming up next. And we'll look forward to speaking to you then. Thank you.